Welcome to our detailed comparison of two popular motherboards, the ASRock B650M-HDV V/M.2 and the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX. In this video, we will explore their specifications, pros and cons, and help you decide which motherboard is the best fit for your next build. Let's dive in. The ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2 is a micro ATX motherboard which is compact and suitable for smaller builds. In contrast, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX is an ATX motherboard, offering more space for additional components and better airflow. This difference in form factor can significantly influence your build's layout and expandability. When it comes to pricing, the ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2 is priced at $159, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to build a capable system without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX is priced at $219, reflecting its more advanced features and capabilities. This price difference is an important factor to consider based on your budget and requirements. The ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2 offers essential features suitable for basic builds, including support for AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors and DDR5 memory. However, it lacks some advanced features like RGB lighting and multiple M.2 slots. In contrast, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX comes packed with advanced features such as PCIe 5.0 support, 3 M.2 slots, and enhanced networking capabilities with Wi-Fi 6E. These features make it a more versatile choice for gamers and power users. In conclusion, the ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2 is an excellent choice for budget-conscious builders looking for a reliable motherboard. Meanwhile, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX offers superior features and performance for those willing to invest a bit more. We hope this comparison helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.